VEVOR garage tiles. I have the box. That's the box it comes in. It basically comes in a cube, the same size as the tiles. This connection mechanism, I don't have any issue with it. It was very simple actually. I didn't even need anything. I pushed it down. It seems to have some flex. So my issue is that some parts of my floor are not perfectly flat. So I wanted to make sure it wasn't super rigid, that it could actually kind of maybe, go with the ebb and flows of the floor, which it seems like it's going to. It's definitely a matte color, even though it seems to be pretty shiny in this video, but it is in matte. It's between shiny and matte, I would say. Not super shiny, not super matte. And I actually kind of like that. I like that it's not shiny. I don't need like that showroom, look in my garage, okay? So, overall, I don't see really an issue with them. I think they're gonna be fine. I'm not sure I'm gonna go with them. I actually ordered a few. This is basically a test run for me. But yeah, they seem to be really nice.